Okay, I just spent the last 15 minutes or so taking some stuff off, and then I realized that I accidentally pushed the wrong record button. I stopped recording. Pretty classic, but basically you can see I got the handlebars off now, and a bunch of the levers, etc. I've unplugged a whole bunch of wires and things, so I'd like to work on that whole wiring tree bit, but it's gonna take some time to do that, so I think I'm gonna stop it here for tonight. I probably could take the motor out, but I don't want to rush it. It's already getting late. I gotta work in the morning, so I will leave it at that, and I guess I'll just pick up on it tomorrow or the next day. Alright. Because one day, got all that stuff, cables, gas tank, no more handlebars, bunch of stuff taken off the stem area. I'm gonna leave some of this for now, just because I don't want to get lost in this and go to bed and forget. I want to make sure I do a good job labeling. There's lots of vacuum lines, and I almost can take out the whole wiring harness now. A bunch of the parts here, whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, it's looking good. goodies just laying there. My apartment's pretty bunged up. Not looking great in here. Okay, I had a pretty good night. This is just day 2, and I've only been home for, I don't know, a couple hours. Got to work pretty quick, and I've fully disassembled the bike now. So I've pretty much got nothing left. There's, the frame, the rear frame half, and then there's just all the motor and the wheel and that. So I'm gonna take it to work and spray paint it. So there's really not a whole lot more to be done until I finish painting it. Then I'm gonna start putting it back together, and I don't think I'm gonna powder coat everything. I probably could powder coat the frame, but I don't know. I don't know if there's really a point to it. I would almost just rather rattle can it for easier touch-ups, to be honest. Yeah, maybe I'll look into that, see pros and cons of powder coating the frame. But anyways, that's where I'm gonna stop, and I will just figure out what I want to paint, what I want to powder coat, and then pretty much the next bits of the video will be just things that got painted and things that are ready to be bolted back together. So chat with you soon.